Welcome to Impact. Headlines. US Federal Reserve endorses interest rate cuts. India to continue as fastest growing economy. OPEC Plus at crossroads over planned output increase. In a landmark policy shift, Jerome Powell, Federal Reserve Chair, endorsed an imminent start of interest rate cuts starting next month. This decision follows slowest inflation growth in 3.5 years, with July rate at 2.9%. Since March 2022, the Federal Reserve has raised its policy rates by 525 basis points to 5.5%. Powell also added that the Fed will do everything in its capacity to support a strong labor market while progressing towards price stability. Impact on Sri Lanka. The United States is Sri Lanka's largest export market. In the first 7 months of 2024, exports to the United States rose to $1.64 billion, up 1% from a year earlier. Stronger demand from the US citizens will help the island nation to reduce its expanding trade deficit. The Indian Composite Managers PMI grew significantly in August, marking over 3 years of continued expansion and remaining above 50-point level. Analysts expect this development to help India maintain its title as the fastest growing economy for the upcoming quarters. Despite this, the Reserve Bank of India is expected to remain cautious as manufacturing prices rise at their fastest pace in 11 years. The IMF expects the Indian economy to grow by 6.5% in 2024. Impact on Sri Lanka. India accounts for about 65 to 70% of Colombo Port's transshipment volumes. India is also now Sri Lanka's largest tourist source market, attracting over 250,000 tourists up to August this year. The recent India-Maldives row is helping attract more Indian arrivals to the nation. As the OPEC Plus group gears up for its meeting next month, the group faces a critical decision on whether to increase production levels or maintain the current levels. Currently, oil demand remains subdued due to increasing geopolitical tensions and fluctuating oil demand. In its June meeting, the group extended its production cuts, hoping for increased demand in the US during the summer. Impact on Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka's high dependency on oil imports means higher prices significantly affect its balance of payments. While the country's foreign exchange reserves have improved in recent months, they still remain dangerously low at just under 3 months of imports. And that's the wrap for this week. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest developments in Sri Lanka.